You check your account again. Nothing changed. Rent's due. Cards maxed. And you whisper, "How the hell do I get out of debt?" It's 3 a.m. and you're lying awake doing the math in your head. Your relationship is strained because every conversation turns into money stress. You avoid going out because you're terrified your card will get declined in front of everyone. You feel trapped, ashamed, like you're the only one who can't figure this out. But here's the truth. 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. You're not broken. You're not stupid. You're just stuck. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to escape the trap. Remember, this is not a get out of debt fast video. This is how to save your life. 5 simple steps, just 5. No shame, no stress, no overwhelm. Step 1. Face the monster. Most people avoid their debt like it's a monster under the bed. Unopened bills stack up, notifications get ignored, and there's this constant dread you carry without even realizing it. But here's the truth. You can't fight what you won't face. Right now, grab a piece of paper. Write down every single debt. Credit cards with balances and interest rates, student loans, car payments, personal loans, money you owe family or friends. Not just the monthly payment. Write the total owed. Done writing it all down? You've already done more than most people will this year. That's a win. Once it's all there in front of you, it stops being a blur. And that's how you take back control. Step 2. Stop feeding the monster. Here's the hard truth. Most people aren't in debt because of one big, reckless purchase. It's the slow drip. $12 here, $27 there, a late-night food delivery, a subscription nobody remembers signing up for, the "I'll just put it on the card and deal with it later" moments. And suddenly, the balance is bigger than last month, even after making a payment. Debt feeds on autopilot, and the first step to stopping it is making everything manual again. Start by making spending inconvenient. Cut up the credit cards, not all of them. Keep one hidden for true emergencies, real emergencies, not "I really want this." Delete the shopping apps. Amazon, Target, whatever your weakness is. Make buying stuff inconvenient again. Cancel subscriptions you don't use daily. That $15 Netflix you share with your ex, gone. The gym membership you used twice, gone. Set up spending alerts at $25. Your bank will text you every purchase. Annoying? Good. You need to feel every dollar leaving. I know it feels like punishment, but drowning people don't complain about how tight the life preserver is. Step 3. Choose your weapon. There are 2 main methods to pay off debt. The Avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first. It saves the most money over time. The Snowball method. Pay off the smallest balance first. It builds quick wins and emotional momentum. Which one's better? The one you'll actually stick to. Cause if motivation dies halfway through, it doesn't matter how mathematically perfect your plan is. This isn't about perfection, it's about completion. Keep in mind that both methods work. The Avalanche saves money. The Snowball saves sanity. Okay, you've picked your weapon. Now it's time to load it. Step 4. Find your ammunition. Now that the monster's not getting fed anymore, it's time to fight back. And for that, you need fuel. Debt doesn't disappear with good vibes and budgeting apps alone. It needs money, more than you're throwing at it now. So where does that extra come from? There are only 3 places. Earn more, spend less, negotiate better. That's it. Those are the levers. Earning more doesn't have to mean a second job that drains your soul. Sometimes it's a few hours a week doing something already in your wheelhouse. Watching dogs, selling stuff online, freelancing a skill you forgot you had. Even an extra $200 a month changes the math completely. Spending less doesn't mean living like a monk. It just means catching the quiet money leaks. Calling your phone company and asking, "Can you do better on my rate?" Checking your insurance. Downgrading services. Small shifts, big wins. The kind of stuff that takes 10 minutes and quietly gives you your money back. Negotiating debt sounds scary, but most companies are surprisingly willing to work with people who want to pay them back. Lower interest rates, payment plans, forgiveness programs. They're not advertised, but they exist. Sometimes it's not about finding more money. It's about reclaiming the money that was always yours, and every dollar you find, it's a dollar you're aiming at your freedom. Step 5. Automate your victory. Co's motivation gets you started. Automation gets you finished. Imagine this. You set up autopay. You stop checking daily because the system is working. 6 months later, you check, and you're down $3,000. Not from willpower, just automation. That's not a fantasy. It's what happens when you set the system and let it run. Set up automatic minimum payments on everything. You'll never miss a due date or pay late fees again. Set up automatic extra payments to your target debt. Treat it like rent, non-negotiable. Schedule weekly money dates, same day, same time. Every automated payment is you choosing future freedom over present comfort. Set it up once, then watch the magic happen. Remember, your debt didn't appear overnight. It won't disappear overnight, but it will disappear if you follow these 5 steps consistently. Your freedom starts with one decision: to stop avoiding and start attacking. You've carried this weight long enough. Now you've got a plan. Pick one step. Do it today, not tomorrow, today. And comment "done" when you start. No shame, no details, just action. Subscribe for calm, clear, real money help. And if you still feel confused about credit cards, go watch this next. I break it down like you're 5, because honestly, that's how they should have explained it to us.